What's going on, guys? Decelation, Brian.
What's going on, peeps?
And today we're back on the Factory 5 hot rod truck.
Yay!
Yeah, like I said, people, Brian, didn't we tell them it's only truck content until it's done, right?
It's only truck content until it's done.
Well, there might be some content. We did get good news. We're going to tell them that later.
Just surprise them one day.
Oh, yeah.
See if anybody notices.
Yeah, that's a good point. Let's see if anyone notices when it just shows up.
In your little pan things, very slow pan. Just pan around the garage and see if anybody notices anything different.
That'd be hilarious. But yeah, we're back on this. So I'm going to reassemble this. Brian's going to put fiberglass on the other side of it, right?
Yes.
On the inside side. And then let that cure. Kind of a light video. It's hot. And Brian, what did we do first today?
We had to fix the belt on the big zero turn.
How many times has this big zero turn broken down on us? Yeah, we're easily sitting at like 5 times right now. It's at the point to where it's just comical. It's like, yeah.
Gary's mowing the grass.
It breaks.
The lawnmower's gonna break.
Yeah. No, it ran twice without breaking. Like 2 weeks in a row, remember? I was able to cut the whole yard 2 weeks in a row. That's it, before I had to fix the zero turn again. And then the third week, broken. But it's never the same issue, is it?
No, it's not. It's keeping us on our toes.
Yeah.
I'd rather work on other things besides the zero turn mower, but
right?
at least that one's not that difficult.
Yeah. But at the end of the day, I mean, by the end of summer, man, it's going to be a full restoration at this rate. But yeah, so we're a little hot and tired, so we're just going to do something quick, real quick, give you guys something. Because I really want to see what that dash looks like fully reassembled, because I think it's going to look sick. Brian, what do you think?
I think so.
Yeah, that's...
Even with whatever the crinkle texture the paint actually did on there, it actually looks kind of cool.
Yeah, like that was... I didn't even really show you guys this, but it almost looks like a mistake. It looks like it crinkled up, but it looks like vinyl, like an old vinyl, which I actually kind of like that. So, lesson to this is, even in your mistakes, you can find beauty. I'm gonna run with that. Welcome back, guys. Brian,
What's up, peeps?
what do we do?
Well, he put the dashboard back together. Looks pretty fancy.
Yeah, look at that. And you guys saw me kind of drilling holes. I didn't show this when I first designed this, but I actually had flipped it the wrong way, so the holes weren't lining up. But even after I flipped it the right way, one of the holes wasn't lining up, so I had to adjust that. That's why I have washers. Can't tell. Perfect. But man, this looks good. And I got the right gauge that's going to be there now, because this has oil pressure right here. I didn't need an oil pressure gauge there. So I got oil and trans temp gauge. Pretty stoked about that. We just got to wire that into the coolers.
That sounds exciting. And for my little side project here, we did the other half of the transmission tunnel. And while it does not look like much right now, it will look better after it's hidden and covered in
carbon fiber as well.
fiber and paint, whatever else we stick on there. So
Yeah.
it'll look all fancy and neat.
I'm just happy with I have a sealed trans tunnel again, which I haven't had that and that for ever.
Yeah, since the first time we put it in there and he realized he couldn't fit his foot.
Yeah, no joke. But yeah, it looks good.
All right. I gotta fix some stuff real quick before it dries.
Live action, baby, live action. I got you.
It's a little tacky.
A little? Looks a little more than a little tacky.
Yeah. Nothing, a little bit of glue will fix. That's better. It's not a bubble anymore. All right, there we go.
I think we'll be all right.
That'll work.
Like we said, this is by my feet anyway, so I just want sealed. It don't have to be pretty. Ain't that right, Brian?
That is right. So yeah, we cut about 2 inches or so of bubble because it bubbled out around there, and that's where his foot wouldn't go. So now the outside will not be coming inside anymore.
Exactly.
So.
Win. But we're gonna call it a wrap for today. Ain't that right, Brian?
That is right. We had a heck of a thunderstorm.
We saw light, the sparks come out of a power pole.
Power pole down the street there. Yeah,
Yeah. What you'll see during the time lapse, probably saw during time lapse where lights were just flickering like crazy. Yeah, we saw sparks going out of the power pole right at the end of the property. Yeah, that was cool. But thank you guys for watching. If you like this type of content, if you're happy that we're back on the truck, please like, comment, and subscribe. Come on. We're back to the fun content. Thank you guys. Have a good one. Peace.
Take it easy, peeps.